Today I'm going to show you 5 high contrast perennial combinations that are really going to hold up in that hot sun. These colors are so hot, they're hard to keep in stock. Echinacea Sunny Days Lemon and Coreopsis Hot Paprika. You can see how beautiful that combination is. Bright yellow, sizzling red, that's not going to fade in the hot sun. Here's a beautiful Coreopsis hybrid called Jethro Tull. Have a close look here. The petals are tubular or fluted. It's really stunning. Add a little bit of Salvia Blue Marvel, the bluest of blues, and you have a beautiful color combination that's really going to pop in your garden. We know fall's on its way because the Japanese anemones are starting to flower and the tall sedums are growing their beautiful broccoli heads. But you can have fall color right now with a Gloriosa daisy called Autumn Colors and a Lysimachia called Alexander, a beautiful variegated form. Together, they're going to give you some luscious autumn tones. Using seasonal perennials, we can have a lovely Cheyenne Spirit Echinacea, yellow, and we'll pick up a beautiful Bee Balm Balmy purple, and you can see that rich purple and that deep yellow make a perfect combination. It's going to look great in your garden. Last but not least are 2 of my favorite perennials, Lavender Super Blue and Phygelius Color Flask Orange. Put them together and you get a beautiful, sophisticated look, which will make you the envy of the neighborhood.